Hi guys, kasama ko today si Doc Joyce from Mandaluyong, no? So she already did her first session of Juvilook last month and ang ganda ng results. Anong mga napansin mo, Doc, with your skin?
Parang it's more glowing. Smooth siya talaga tignan.
Yes. So fresh, glass skin. No? So ngayon, magle-level up na tayo. We're gonna do Juvilook Prime. So magdadagdag tayo ng Botox, no? Para yung pores mag-shrink palalo. And also non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid para makita yung dewy look and fresh look agad. Another concern ni Doc Joyce is yung under eyes niya. Anong problem mo sa under eyes mo, Doc?
Like, I have dark circles and parang very deep talaga siya.
Medyo lubog, no? So, maganda yung Juvilook under eyes kasi mababrighten niya yung under eyes, mabuvolumize ng konti yung lubog na areas. Maganda rin siya pag may fine lines and wrinkles. So, we're gonna use a cannula para ilagay yung Juvilook directly sa under eyes. Okay, start na tayo. So, nilalaman na natin yung under eyes ni Doc with Juvilook, no? So as you can see, meron siyang talagang parang instant effect, no? Na yung lubog is maangat. So we added non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid para makita talaga yung volumization, no? Pero of course, ang pinakamaganda dito yung Juvilook kasi long-term, no? You will see the results in around 3 months. Nagsistimulate siya ng collagen, no? And also, pinapaputi niya yung under eyes. Okay? So yung 3 months, yun yung final results. Pero honestly, around mga 2 weeks, you will already see some results. So, done na yung Juvilook under eyes ni Doc Joyce. No? So, as you can see, no? Meron din siyang instant effect, no? Na-volumize siya. Okay? But the best result we will see in around 3 months pa pagka yung collagen natin na remodel.